back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I am back with a new hair video, and these are pretty much my twists. I'm not sure if these are passion twist or Senegal twist, I don't know, but I love them so much. I really like the hair that I used, and it's very easy, and I'm just gonna show you guys step-by-step beginner friendly kind of tutorial how to get these. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep on watching to see how I achieve these gorgeous twists. And I'm showing you guys two methods on how to do these twists. One, it requires knowing how to braid, and the other one is the rubber band method where it doesn't matter if you know how to braid or not. So I am helping you guys, okay? So I am using this hair. It is freetress braid. I think it's braiding hair, whatever, and it's water wave, and it's 22 inches. So I got 5 packs of these, and one of them was Bohemian wave, and it wasn't the same texture. It was a little tighter, but you guys can't even tell which one is Bohemian or not. So you could pretty much use any curly hair, crochet hair pattern to get these twists. It comes with hair like this, and they look, nice. I think there's 16 individual strand, and for each braid on my head I use 2. So one pack can give you 8 braids. So I guess it really depends on what you like, how much hair you want, but I think this is full enough. I think I have about 42 braids on my head right now, which is a lot for me, surprisingly, but it looks good. It's not heavy, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this done. I found this stocking cap thing, and let me tell you, it is really large, really stretchy, and I put this on my head after I wrap it, not wrap it, but I do like a big twist with the rest and like tuck it on the top, and I just put this on and I sleep comfortably, and I'm not worried about my hair going everywhere. So you guys should really invest in these. They're like $1. Well, no, it was $1.99, so that's $2. And yeah, so I use this and stuff. Am I missing anything? No, I don't think so. Ends look like this. The hair is very soft. They look really natural. The roots look really natural. My parting is crazy because I was doing it by myself, as you guys can see. Even though it's 22 inches, because I pulled it so that I could have like thinner ends. The hair is right here for me. It's yeah. So it's not 22 inches. It's way longer than 22 inches. Keep on watching to see pretty much how I got these done and see the two methods. This is how the hair comes. This is how the hair looks like when you freshly take it out the package. Yeah, before we do anything, the hair comes in like this. We just want to kind of like fluff it out a bit so that the twist would look a little bigger and stuff. So I'm gonna be doing this, and I'm just spreading it with my fingers, nothing crazy. So now it kind of looked like this, and I'm only using two of the little strands that comes in a package. So yeah, besides the hair, all I'm gonna be needing for this little hair thingy, my twist, is a little brush, something to comb my hair out. I did not find a comb, so I'm just using this Demlin brush and some edge control. I left 2 sections out just because I want to show you guys 2 different methods. One for people that know how to braid, and the other if you don't know how to braid, okay? So for the first one, let's do this. I'm kind of brushing out my baby hair. So first things first, I'm just gonna brush the hair out like yeah. So after I place the edge control, I'm just brushing it with this brush so that it could smooth it out. And this method is pretty much the first method. If you know how to braid, you're gonna braid the hair really tight at the roots. And you're just gonna braid down, but you're not gonna braid all the way down. You're just gonna so after I finish braiding it, as you guys can see, so when I have the hair like this, right, I'm gonna kind of pull it down a little bit, the different sections, just so that it would be a little longer and the ends would look a little more neat. So I'm taking this crochet needle, I'm going through the hole. I don't know if you guys can see, let me zoom in. You guys see? So I'm going through the hole, okay, like so, right? Into the hook I'm placing this. So this is tricky. Once you place it in, you close the lash, right? You're gonna keep your finger in between, and when you pull it in, you're not gonna let go. You're gonna hold one section. So we're gonna hold this section by itself, and you're gonna put your hand in between this, so it would look like this, right? So this is the hole, and you're just only gonna put one section inside of it. So okay, you're pulling it. Make sure you don't pull the other one in with it. Okay, so we're gonna pull it, and you're gonna pull this one, so it'll be like this. Okay, so after we pull it, you guys can see, you see it? We pull it, it looks like this, and the hair is in between. You're gonna first twist it around. You're gonna twist it, so you're gonna come twist it. Once you get to the part where you can't see the braid anymore that you did, you're gonna separate it in half, like so, okay? And you're gonna keep twisting. Yeah, as we twisting, we're gonna add some edge control through, just to blend in our natural hair with the fake hair, like this. And we're gonna keep doing that. All the way at the end. I'm gonna zoom back out. When you can't see your natural hair, you can stop adding edge control, but this is what we're doing. And I'm still seeing my natural hair, so I'm going back in and I'm just applying it, and I'm twisting. Okay, applying and I'm twisting. And don't worry if it looks too thin. You guys can see how fluffy the one next to it looks. You're gonna keep doing this all the way down, but yeah, so you can't tell where it starts or anything. It's holding on, whatever, and it's not pulling your hair or anything. So for the next method, we're gonna take the hair, okay, we're gonna comb it out again. If you have a comb, use a comb. I'm using a Demlin brush because I can't find my comb and I'm too lazy to look for it. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. And taking some edge control again, placing it on the roots like this. Alright, my scalp is a little dry, but don't mind that. I'll put some oil later. And I'm taking my brush, I'm brushing it. Look at that little flakes and shit. And I'm brushing it like this. So then for this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using rubber bands, okay? So we're gonna be using rubber bands. My box thing fell, I didn't realize, but they're all over my room now. And I'm taking just one, and I'm just doing this. And these are for the people that cannot braid. I cannot stress this enough. If you cannot braid, just rubber band it. Just go with it like 3 times, actually, it's fine. You don't have to make it tight. And look, taking the hair, placing it into the hole, and that's only if you can't braid. I don't really like using rubber bands that much on my hair. Make sure you always keep the middle, and take it, right? You pull it through, and you only take, like I said, it would look like this when you pull it out, right? So it's your hair, the 2 strands, and you're only gonna take one side, and you're gonna put it through the loop, just one side through the loop, like this, and you pull. You pull. After you finish pulling, it would look crazy. All you have to do is pull your own hair, and that should fix it up, okay? So see? And what you're doing now with this one, there's no braid to cover. You're just gonna separate like this, and you're gonna start twisting. But as you're twisting, remember, we're adding edge control. So we're just gonna add and twist. Add and twist. And this is it, okay? The ends are looking crazy a little bit. You can just go ahead and cut. But yeah, so right now I just finished doing all of them, and this is what it looks like. You could flip it. It's individual. This is what it looks like. It's very like, so I just did my edges. I was trying to film it for you guys, but I thought my camera was recording, but it wasn't. But I'll do another video for you guys another day if you guys are interested. And this is pretty much all I do. And yeah, so I'm gonna let my hair down now. And I'm so sorry, my camera's my camera's right here, obviously. My mirror is right there, and I just been looking at it the whole time. I apologize, I didn't even realize I was doing it. But I went to my beauty supply, and I got these. This one has like a little, this has the little colors, and then these regular ones. And I got them, and I'm gonna just be I'm gonna place them all around my head pretty much, because